Hi guys, sorry for the delay on the reveal for the first telepathy exercise in our Quantum Dojo private Facebook group, but here we go. Here's just a nice little scene from outside my office window. I've got little plants, trying to get a little bit of light with the snow. But here's my desk. I can't show you the whole thing because I'm working and some of the stuff is confidential, but I want to show you what it was I was transmitting. One of you got it right on the money. It is a pink Himalayan salt lamp. And I love this lamp because it is, one of its purposes for being here is it works like a form of selenite, where it helps to eradicate the negative ions in the room, or the negative energy, but also especially the EMF, the electromagnetic frequencies that come from the router that is right underneath this desk, and all the electronics that I have to work with. It is kind of a reddish, orangish, pinkish color. It has a slight salt smell, and there is a sound when I click it on because it has a little light inside it. So let's see if you can hear it. And that's what it looks like when it's on. And it's usually on. I actually had it off when I was visualizing and sending, but that's what it looks like when it's on. It has a warm feel to it. Even when it's off, it feels a little bit warm to me. And the feeling state I get from it is one of comfort and gratitude. I love this light. I have several of them in my office all around, but this one sits on my desk. And yeah. So several of you got many pieces of it right. Lisa Stickle, you got it precisely. You got it right on the money. Jennifer Johnson, let's see. Let's just go through the comments here. I'm going to turn it back on again just because I think it's so pretty. Don't mind the messy part of my desk. Okay, so Jessie said cold yellow fishy reflection. It doesn't smell or feel fishy, but it smells salty. So that might be what you got. And when it's turned off, it's kind of yellowish in places. It's not cold per se, but it is definitely not hot when it's off. But it is sitting right here by this window, and it was very cold yesterday when I was transmitting. So good one. Kathy Romano says, she said perhaps an incense holder or candle holder with a bumpy texture. Well, it has a bumpy texture, and I put it in the same category as incense or candles. It's a light that has a metaphysical property like incense and candles. She saw a smoke trail like our first meditation with a dim glowing red light. Very vague. It does have a dim glowing red light, but there is no smoke trail. However, Kathy, kudos to you. Even though I wasn't trying to transmit it, it must have snuck in there. I was burning incense on the other side of the room when I was transmitting. She said her ears were ringing louder than usual and the feeling was peaceful. Okay. When I meditate deeply, often I get that loud ringing in my ears too. It's a sign that I am in the theta state, and the feeling is always peaceful when I have this on. Jennifer Johnson, first thing I saw was a writing pad with a red cover on it. I don't have one on the desk, but there is one on the floor right next to the desk. Usually it's upstairs right now because I took it upstairs to journal a bit ago. I'm seeing some type of dark flower bulbs that are tightly curled like circles. They are bunched together, but I don't believe these are on your desk. No.